We're going to look at some memes today, some travel memes and some digital nomad memes. And we've got 13 years experience doing this. So we're going to just see whether these are relatable or not to anyone who wants to.
Yeah, if it's real.
Yeah, no kidding. As a digital nomad, the expectation
versus reality.
Man, I think that, we bring that on ourselves because we do post a lot of fun pictures online. And
yeah, because nobody wants to see the negative.
Reality, right.
The reality.
But we have worked at the pool. We have worked at the beach. You can work anywhere, but the reality is, if you're a digital nomad,
you're going to have stresses.
You're going to have stresses. You're going to be in your hotel room, sometimes 6 to 8 hours a day working, or at a coffee shop. It's not all...
Finding Wi-Fi, all of that. We'll talk about that later,
But you will see digital nomad or travel influencers, like, their whole life is one party. All they're doing is going places and having fun and blah. That's bull. That's not
bullshit.
No, that's bullshit.
Yeah, you're not seeing the behind the scenes of the video editing and finding clients and
it's
the
not
constant
all fun
social
and games.
media
there
posting.
Is work involved, unless you're wealthy.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Hire everyone else to do your work for you. You're still working though, but financial stability, go on vacation. Me.
Yeah, no doubt.
Hard right.
No doubt. Financial stability can be taken away from you for any reason. Somebody could trip, you could hit somebody with your car and you're screwed.
Yeah, you're sued and you have no financial stability.
No, you might think
your job because of COVID, and there's just 1,000. Financial stability is in your head.
Yeah,
I think.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we make it day by day. We live day by day. We work and we play
And honestly, a lot of the times that we have been financially stable, we've been more stressed out than when we had $2 to our name.
For sure.
So
I do remember, being on vacation when we were living on the beach, like at Pelon. We had $2 and we were ecstatic. Yeah, we loved it. We had no financial stability, but
no worries.
No,
financial stability is worries.
Yes, no doubt. When you accidentally pack 4 kilos of cocaine in a dead goat as you declare nothing at the airport. Man, don't do this. Don't declare nothing. If you've got something...
Also, don't take out 4 kilos of cocaine.
No, you keep that somewhere else. No, but people don't understand when you travel international, you're going to go through immigration.
Yeah.
And then customs.
Yeah, and totally different
things. And customs might just be some dude standing at the end of the baggage claim asking if you have nothing to declare, and you might say no. And you'll be screwed.
In reality, you have an apple in your bag.
A friend of ours was held in Mexico customs for hours and hours
because they had an apple.
They packed an apple.
Because there is a background to it. You can't be bringing in food from another country where diseases and all that.
Well, sure, there's a reason, and every country enforces that. But
and they all have different rules too. So
even recently, we came from Colombia to Mexico, and I had gone to the bakery because Colombia makes some bomb-ass bread.
Oh my god!
Really good bread, and I was just gonna
specifically pan de queso.
And I was going to snack it on the plane. I totally forgot.
Yeah.
I still had it in my bag, and the customs official in Mexico literally asked, "Do you have anything to declare?" I said, "No." He just briefly opened my bag and looked in and said, "What's this?"
Cheese, fruit, and we're like, "No.
No, nothing. And I said, "Oh, that's just bread." And he said, "There's no cheese in it." And then I thought, "Oh man.
It's pan de queso. Queso is cheese."
But there's no cheese, like gooey cheese. So we ripped it open. I said, "See, no cheese." And we left. But I could have been screwed on that.
Yeah, we could have gotten a lot of trouble for not declaring it.
Make sure when you go through an airport, you can say nothing to declare and you have nothing to declare.
You actually have nothing to declare.
That will screw up your trip like you have no idea.
Yeah.
How much money the government sees, or when the government sees how much money you make. Yeah. Here's the thing about living overseas full time, which we do, and we have for many years. We have no USA clients. We have no USA a business that pays us.
We haven't lived in the US.
We haven't lived in the US in 13 years.
Yeah.
So we are eligible for, I'll have to look it up and I'll put the thing down below, But we don't pay income taxes because none of our taxes are derived from the States.
Yeah,
we do not
Canadians
pay
or our clients are Canadian.
Our clients are Canadian or
international.
Australian. Abroad, eat at McDonald's.
Okay, to be fair, we sometimes eat at McDonald's.
Once a year.
Once a year.
Once a year we'll eat at McDonald's and we'll be sick for 2 days.
We'll be sick for 2 days, yeah, because the food abroad is so much healthier.
So much healthier.
We shop at the market for local meat. Daily, you know, every other day or whatever. Fresh meat, fresh cheeses, all of that. And then when we eat this processed crap, it really gets to us.
But one thing living here with all these expats is, these are all the posts you see on Facebook is, where can I get the best pizza? Where can I get, like, where's the McDonald's at? Is there a Carl's Jr.?
Yeah, exactly.
We just saw that one. Is there a Carl's Jr. here? Like, bro, eat a taco. What are you talking about?
Yeah, and that's understandable, but at the same point, if you're traveling if you're on vacation, wait to get home to have the McDonald's or the pizza or whatever.
We haven't been home in years.
Immerse yourself. Yeah, but if you're traveling for 6 months even, you crave a pizza.
It does get embarrassing walking into
or a
McDonald's or a Burger King or walking into somewhere.
It's so funny because I am embarrassed, but at the same point, it's all Mexicans in there because it's Mexico.
Yeah.
People do go there.
When you Google about the new country moving to,
it could be scary, but when you think about it, though, if you Google the United States,
forget it.
Columbus, our pizza delivery guy, remember we were leaving,
shot on our porch the day before we left.
Like almost, he got shot at.
Yes, but I mean, you can find if you want bad information about where you're going to move to, you can absolutely find it on Google or online or in reviews.
Yeah.
Somebody always wants to give you the bad news and the complaints.
And that's a question we see on the expat groups a lot too. How safe is it? I've heard this is going on or this is going on.
We literally are in Sinaloa living, and there's a war going on in Sinaloa. There's a cartel war literally going on in a city 2 hours from here. And it has been for months.
Yeah.
So if you were to read about Sinaloa or Mazatlan, you'd be scared shitless and probably wouldn't come here.
Yeah, exactly.
On the ground, though, we don't see there's nothing. There's nothing.
If you were to Google any city in the U.S., the crime rate is so much higher.
Oh, certainly.
But I don't know. I honestly feel safer walking down the street as a woman here in Mexico than I ever would in the United States. So if that says anything.
Yeah, so don't let the news or like United States travel advisories.
Your inner circle even.
Your inner circle will do that.
Yeah, your grandma's gonna say, "Oh my God, you're gonna die." So-and-so. Yeah, exactly. Don't let that hold you back. I mean, if you're worried about it, you're worried about it, but don't. Yeah.
Find a Facebook group for people your age, or find TikTok videos of people your age who are living there and see what they're saying. Because if they're not
people that actually have their feet on the ground.
Right. Because your family will tell you, do not move to
Mexico in general,
mostly, or overseas, or Colombia. Colombia was not
to
Bogota.
Be fair,
Bogota was pretty bad, but. I mean, we would live in small towns in Colombia and walk everywhere. We never had a problem.
Yeah, Bogota is like one of the biggest cities in the world.
Yeah,
I mean, so that's totally different. But we've lived in tons of small towns everywhere across the globe. And
so in whatever many years it's been, 13 of nonstop travel, not owning a car, walking everywhere at all hours.
Yeah.
We've only encountered one dangerous situation.
Yeah, are you talking about Belize?
In Belize.
Yeah.
So don't listen to Google. I mean, you will just get bad news. Don't read the news about the place you're going.
I mean,
talk to people who are there.
Yeah, talk to people who are there. If you're really worried about it, first of all, I would just say ignore it. But if you have kids or you're really worried about
single woman traveling.
Single woman traveling. Talk to people that have their feet on the ground, and that might just help you.
Yeah.
Get your mindset right.
Right.
All right, next one. Let's see here. You have all the fun, relaxing vacation every day at 5 a.m. for activities. Oh my gosh.
No, you don't have to do that. You're not on vacation.
No.
You're a nomad, or you're a long-term traveler, or a perpetual traveler. You don't need to worry about these
Yeah.
activities, getting up at 5 for activities.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
do that whenever you want.
Do whenever you want.
When you want.
To be honest, our life is kind of boring as like it's more boring than the average person would
on vacation.
It's way more boring than like a perpetual vacation. It's not. We just do our.
If you're on 10 days vacation, you want to do shit for 10 days.
Yeah.
We might not do anything for 10 days, and then.
Yeah, we'll take the things that you do during your 10-day vacation and spread it out over 3 months.
Yeah, right. So we're not rushing around. We don't miss it.
Yeah.
Plans don't go awry. It doesn't rain us out on the day we had bought tickets for a theme park.
The only time we've ever done anything at 5 a.m. we were on vacation from our digital nomad life.
Oh.
We went on a 2-week vacation to Puerto Escondido and the whale watching tour.
The whale watching.
Yeah, it was a sunrise tour. So that's the only time we've woken up at 5 a.m. to do something like that.
And we did that at the moment.
And we did, we scheduled it the night before and, just did it.
When your flight is full and they start asking for volunteers.
I volunteer.
No doubt. You're not on vacation.
Yeah, you're not. You have all the time in the world.
You are not going to miss anything getting there 4 hours or 2 days later.
I don't know if they still do it, but they used to. Like when I went to Thailand, I got one of those. I got held up and they gave me so many food vouchers for the airport. They gave us like Wi-Fi, like cards.
You're on a vacation. You're on a new vacation for your vacation.
Yeah.
Yeah, take that shit. Take that. If they ask for like
hotel vouchers,
you could get a $3,000 flight voucher to use on your next flight.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Exactly.
I mean, take it. You're not on vacation.
You're not on vacation.
No thanks, pants. I'm working from home today. Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, I mean, that one's true. I'm not wearing pants right now. No, I'm kidding. I am wearing pants.
But wearing a tie every day, I don't know how guys do it or dress up every day. Like heels every day?
Yeah, high heels, not for me.
Nope.
Sorry. Pants?
Yeah,
I'll wear pants.
Expectations reality, man, no doubt.
This is so true, and you can't avoid it. I mean...
You can.
But come on, if you want to go to Chichen Itza, you're gonna be surrounded by 1,000 other people that also want to go to Chichen Itza. And guess what? They are on vacation and you're not. So
the best thing to do is schedule it days people aren't there. If there's not a cruise ship in town, go to Chichen Itza. You know what I mean? Don't forget those crowds like that nonsense. Or like Playa Bandalara,
Balandra, there we go.
Everybody wants to go. I mean, there is a line.
Yeah, they have a wait
100
limit.
people deep to get to the beach.
Yeah, and then you can only be there 4 hours.
Yeah.
And then they roll the next group of people
and
that
this is
also
what the crowds
want
look
to be
like.
there. And that's,
Why are you
You got this
me?
beautiful picturesque thing and then 1,000 people.
Yeah, right. And all these influencers are trying to focus their lens away from the crowd, so like they're the only people at Balandra.
Yeah, exactly, but no, it's not real.
I mean, if you want to see tourist attractions,
there are ways to do it.
There are ways to do it without.
And we're gonna do that trapper treasure thing too, where we'll explore some of these tourist places.
It's not a trap, but it's not fun when there's 3,000 people there.
Yeah.
You know. So.
And then everybody wants their hand out to take your picture with a monkey or whatever.
Digital Nomad Starter Pack in Tulum. We've been to Tulum. That is 100% the Digital Nomad Starter Pack.
But I kind of love it because you can definitely find your people where if this is what you want to wear and where the people you want to be around, go to Tulum.
Yep.
If you want to find more hippy dippy artsy vibe musicians, go to San Chris. If you want to have the party lifestyle with
Escondido or
Playa del Carmen or any of those, but you can find your people.
But
so
if this is your people, I mean.
And how many times have we been somewhere and we're like, this is not our people.
This is not us.
We went to Bocas del Toro and we knew.
That was not our people.
Yeah, we knew immediately that. So
we're in Mazatlan now.
Yeah.
These are not our people.
These are not our people.
And not meaning the locals. I mean the tourists and the expats and the snowbirds that come here. They have their own starter pack, and it's quite different than this, and we're ready. We're done. We've signed a long lease we're trying to get rid of, and we'll go find our own people somewhere else.
But that's what travel is too. Lots of
certainly.
ups and downs. And...
But here's the thing, if we were on vacation and if you had 7 days to go somewhere and you did not know the type of people that were there, especially if you were looking to make friends. You need to really research. You need to research
for sure.
Yeah.
But people they don't do research. They don't know what type of people go, whatever.
Yeah, you don't want to be around a bunch of people you can't get along with. We are in a snowbird central.
But people go so far as to not even research weather sometimes.
Right, well, they don't, because somebody just literally posted that online.
Yeah, it's cold. I didn't know it got cold in Mexico.
Right, that's exactly what they said 2 days ago. I didn't know it got cold in Mexico. Yeah.
Okay, if you're 9,000 feet above sea level in the mountains, you're going to be cold sometimes.
Spend the broad start story with when I lived in Europe. Yeah, I'm pretty fucking guilty of it.
I'm totally guilty of that.
Because we do live in places. This is Mazatlan. We've been here a couple months, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah, 5 months.
Well, yeah, I've lived here. I've lived in Mazatlan. We've lived in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We were there for 6 months. We lived in Jamaica.
We have stories and we're guilty of...
We are guilty of saying I've lived there. So,
we've lived there, yeah.
To support us, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and we'll be back with some more content soon.
Yeah, see you soon.